Basic positions where most exercise begins. First, standing positions. Second, sitting positions. Third, kneeling positions. Fourth, lying positions. Fifth, hand positions. Sixth, arm positions. First, standing positions. Feet together. The feet are about 1 inch apart, toes pointing forward, arms at the sides. Stride position. The feet apart about 12 inches wide. The stride may be wider than 12 inches. The weight of the body is on both feet and the trunks is at the center, arms at the side. Lunge position. Bend one knee, the other leg straight. Weight on both feet, hands on hips. Half knee bend. Feet together, bend knees to about 45-degree angle. Feet flat on floor, body erect, hand on hips. Full knees bend. The knees are fully bent. Sit on the heels of the feet. The weight of the body is on the balls of the feet. Next, sitting positions. Long sitting. Sitting with legs extended forward, toes pointed, trunks and erect, and hands on hips. Long sitting. Legs and toes are extended forward, hands and rear on the floor, elbow and body straight. Hook sitting. Sit on buttocks, bend knees close to the body, trunk erect, hands on shin of the legs. Tuck on sitting. Sit on buttocks, bend knees close to the body, round back so that the forehead and knees are in contact. Hold shin of the leg. Stride sitting. Sitting on buttocks, spread legs apart, trunk erect, hands on thighs. Side sitting. Sitting on buttocks, bend right or left leg in front, other leg extending sideward, hand on knees. Hurdle sitting. Sitting on buttocks, bend right leg at the back about 300 angle degree. The other leg extended diagonally forward. Heels sit. From kneeling position, sit on the heels of the feet, toes pointed, hands on hips. Next, kneeling positions. Kneeling position. Kneel on both knees, knees close together, body erect, hands on hips. Side kneeling. Kneeling on both knees with knees apart. Half kneeling. Kneeling on right, left in half kneeling position in front, hands on hips. Kneeling position, one leg extended sideward position. Next, lying positions. Back lying. Lying on the back, the body is well extended, arms overhead, toes pointed. Front lying. Body is well extended in front of the body, in contact with the floor, toes pointed, arms forward. Side lying. With the body well extended, the side of the body is in the contact of the floor, one hand on the floor overhead and the other hand bent close to the chest, palms on the floor, toes pointed. Hook lying. In a back lying position, bend knees with the feet close to the buttocks, feet flat on the floor, arms overhead. Tuck lying. Lying on the back, pull the knees close to the forehead, hold shin of the legs. Next, hand position. Hands on waist. Place hand on waist, finger pointing front, hands pointing forward. Hands on chest. Palms facing down, thumbs touching the chest, elbows in line with shoulder. Hands on shoulders. Bend arms from the elbow, fingertips touching the shoulders, elbow in line with the shoulder, rib cage lifted. Hands on hips. Place hands on hips, stand pointing back and fingers pointing. Next, arm positions. Arms forward. Raise arm forward with palms facing each other. Arm sideward. Raise arm sideward, palm facing down, fingertips in line with the shoulder. Arms upward. Palm facing each other, elbow touching the ears, the whole arm in line with the body. Arms in T position. Arms oblique. That's all. Thank you.